When you tried the 1 minus less than 5 thing, it didn't work, did it?
It did. The less than 5 thing does work, but the less than 6 doesn't. So you have to do it exactly how Shrey did it for it to work. You have to say
No, you put 1
probability.
minus.
I did 1 minus 6 because I did it wrong. If I want to do this, okay, equals 0.93, whatever. Me writing this is irrelevant because I know that's binomial, right? Sorry, no. Fuck. What am I saying? I'm saying probability of x being equal to or greater than 6. I should write this. Equals 1 minus probability of x is equal to or less than 5. This is what I should have done. What I did where this was like that's pointless.
Oh, so the way I did it is actually wrong then.
Did you do equals to or not? No, the way
It's
you
not.
did it is fine.
No, it's not. It's not.
Is it not?
I always have to do minus less than, I think.
Yeah, this. If you want to do it the non-critical value way, this is the way to do it. Then I think, because
Yeah.
saying if you got 6, yeah, if 6 was your observed
This is why I
statistic,
prefer to do the critical value
yeah,
way
same.
anyways.
That's same. Yeah, once you told me about once you put it in my head, I couldn't get it out. Really, it's just easier. I think.
So the critical value way is I put the list up, yeah,
And I use
and then
0.1.
what?
Yeah, you find where it crosses 0.1. So if I
Yeah,
show you here,
and then one below that. Do I do the one below that?
I understood
Yeah,
everything you said
basically.
until the point Dan said you have to do it Shrey's method. So using my method,
So this is what you did, Shrey, and this is the right way to do it if you don't use critical regions. Okay?
Right.
All right?
But we are using critical regions.
We are using a critical region, yes.
So it's not the right way.
But whoa, I still think your method's right. I can't lie.
No, it's not. It's not
You
right.
sure?
Because I remember I did something like
Dr.
that
Khan's
in the
never
test.
wrong.
I did that
Dr. Khan
something.
gave me these games.
I did something
Did a
like
bad
that in
job.
the test as well. Wait, Dan, do your critical region way again.
So with this, yeah, 1 to 8, okay? In 8.55, bang. All right? We go down here. So it crosses at 6, okay? But we know 6 is included in that. That is P of X is this. So it's 1 to 6 is included in it, okay? So that's why we go to the next one, which is 7.
Why do we go up? Why do we go up?
So
that's confusing.
So okay.
Why do we go up? Is it because it's
Say
greater?
the whole of part 2.
Yeah. So
because it's greater than, we go up.
So let's think of it like this, okay? This whole block is 1, okay? At 0.9368, which let's say is over here, okay? What are you seeing?
Yeah.
All right. 0.9368, okay? This includes 6, okay? So if I want to get this region, I have to go 7 and 8. I can't say 6 is my critical value, okay? Because this whole part is the cumulative up to 6, which is including.
So how did you get 9368? Because when I did my whole question, I didn't get that one.
No, straight.
I'm saying you don't use that value.
You used your way, and it's right. This is a second way.
Look at the difference, Trey. Trey, look. This is that.
With the way I did it, how do I know it's random? Because when I read that, I don't think random.
What the fuck do you mean? I'm not answering the second question.
About part 2.
No, bro, we're not answering part 2.
We're not answering part 2.
Part 2 is assume that the last year's chosen are random.
That's it. That's just the right answer.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Hell, man.
Okay, but this, okay, is for this. That's what.
Yeah. So how do we know we go up, and when do we know we go down?
Okay, so it's only in binomial that we have to do this shit. Okay.
Firstly, okay. Do we go up because it's greater than?
Yeah. Well, no. We go. Actually, I guess the right way of saying it is we're going up because it's less than, because this is less than, right? Because this is CD. CD starts from the bottom and goes up. So so when you see a probability value, it includes the value that it represents. So 0.9368 represents 6 and it includes 6. Okay? That means that the critical region will be everything above that, which is 7 and 8. So my critical value is 7. Okay? So I cannot say 6 is my critical value because here, okay, it does cross my significance level, but that includes everything before, okay? So I don't know how to explain this accurately, but I could. So 6, for example. So what's 5? Okay, 5 is 0.7798. Okay, because obviously we saw it made the difference, right? It made the difference of accepting and rejecting. Okay, and this will always be the case. If this happens, it's gonna make the difference. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I know how to explain it now. So if I said my critical value was 6, okay. Say I said my critical value was 6. It would.
Oh, wait.
It would
I
not
think I
fall.
get it.
Yeah. Go on.
I think I get it. It's because from the range from like 6 to 7, you're unsure where the value is, right?
Basically, yeah. That's how it's. Yeah, that's
So that's
basically
why
how
we
you can
use
say
7,
it. Yeah.
because 7 is definite.
Yeah. 7 is definite, and you can also, if someone claimed that no 6 is your critical value, I can disprove them by saying, okay, let's make 6 my critical value. It's a binomial. Okay. If I do 1 minus this, it does not lie within 0.1. So I can't say it's my critical value.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. 1 minus 0.7798 is greater than 0.1, therefore
I get
not
it.
critical.
I get it.
Yeah. This is the one thing that if someone doesn't revise binomial, they will make a mistake on.
So every single time that you're doing binomial list, do you have to go up one?
So you won't have to do this all the time, but okay. Actually,
When would you not?
Actually, maybe you do have to do it all the time. I think you do have to do it all the time, actually, because then you.
Because I'm thinking, would it just be easier to do like Trey's way every time than being unsure whether you go up, down, or not?
I think you have to do it every time, actually. I think you're right. You have to, because I can't think of when you wouldn't. So you have to do this every time you do binomial then. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's if you do critical regions, then you have to understand this, that when you see the P cross your critical region, you have to go up one because of this. Yeah, you're right. You have to do that. So maybe it's easier to do the method where you just
I might do
reverse. Yeah, you might just want to reverse it. But just remember that with your observed test statistic, you have to work in terms of greater than, right? You always work in terms of greater than.
Why?
And because then that's how the 1 minus is valid, isn't it?
Okay, so every time it's binomial, you'd have to do greater than that observed test statistical.
Yeah.
And then you do 1 minus below that.
Yeah, because then you do 1 minus 0.7768 or whatever, which is greater than 0.1. Therefore, reject.
All right, cool. That's a much easier way to remember.
Accept HO.
Yeah, that's much easier.
Yeah, that's probably much easier.
So you just look at it like, so every single time you do binomial, they give you like, for example, if the number was 7, right? 7 out of 8 students, then you would do possibility of X is bigger than 7, which is 1 minus the possibility of 6 or less. Then that number, is it bigger than or lower than significance level?
Basically, yeah.
Calm. All right, I'm going to just do that.